Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel, where we make money management simple and stress-free. Today, we're tackling a common challenge, tracking your cash spending with EveryDollar. If you've ever wondered where all your cash goes, this guide is your new best friend. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's EveryDollar? It's a user-friendly budgeting app created by financial guru Dave Ramsey. It's designed to help you take control of your finances, whether you're dealing with digital payments or good old cash. The best part? It's free to start, and it's packed with features to keep you on track. To get started, download the EveryDollar app from your App Store and create an account. Once you're in, set up your budget by entering your total monthly income and dividing it into categories like groceries, entertainment, or utilities. Now, here's the key for cash spending. EveryDollar lets you manually enter transactions, so even if you're paying with cash, you can record it easily. Step 1. Go to the Transactions tab and add a new entry. Select the category for your cash purchase, say, $20 on coffee, and note it as a cash payment. This keeps everything transparent. Step 2. Make it a habit. At the end of each day, take a minute to log your cash outflows. You can even set reminders in the app to stay consistent. One pro tip. Use envelopes or digital envelopes in EveryDollar to allocate cash for specific categories. This way, you won't overspend in one area. If you notice you're going over budget, adjust your categories on the fly. It's that flexible. Tracking cash might seem old school, but with EveryDollar, it's a game changer for building better financial habits. Remember, every dollar counts, and this app helps you see exactly where yours are going. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on how you handle cash spending. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.